Welcome to Mr. Jahs class, where I, Mr. Jah, cover educational topics in a short amount of time. Let's get started. How to solve for acceleration when dealing with Newton's second law. Let's take a look at this problem. Yasmine, who weighs 95.5 kilograms, applies 1,180 newtons of force to the blocks at the start of a track and field sprint. What was the acceleration? Before we get to the problem, be aware that you can't just watch these videos and learn the equations. So please make sure you get your notebook and pencil and write down the steps. That way you don't just memorize what to do, you understand why we do what we're doing. This will be more beneficial in the long run. And if you know someone who needs help with these problems, please feel free to share it with them. Let's get to the video. Step 1, write what you know. So what is the force? Force is 1,180 newtons, because force is measured in newtons. And then what about the mass? The mass is 95.5 kilograms. And then, do we have acceleration? No, we don't have acceleration. That is what we are trying to find. So we're just going to go ahead and put a question mark. Okay, next. Step 2. Plug in your values. So what is the formula for Newton's second law? It is force is equal to mass times acceleration. So what we do is we just plug in the values that we know. So force is right there. And then mass is right there. So how do we solve for acceleration? We have to get it by itself, and we have to think about what is happening to acceleration. Right now, it is being multiplied by the mass. So in order for us to get it by itself, we have to do the opposite operation. So that is going to be division. And that cancels it out. So whatever we do to one side of the equation, we have to do to the other side. So therefore, acceleration is equal to 12.36 meters per second squared. And that is how you solve for acceleration. Thank you for watching the video. Attention science teachers, want some free physics resources for your classroom? Click the teacher link in the description. And as always, thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing.